Hey everyone, we have managed over 1,000 Facebook ad campaigns, and today I want to show you how to make money with Facebook ads. The top videos on YouTube right now show you how easy it is to create a Facebook ad, but what they don't do is show you how to make money with Facebook ads. Look, anyone can create a Facebook ad, but let's face it, Facebook makes billions of dollars a year in revenue. Its advertisers, not so much. Unlike a lot of the other people on YouTube, we're brave enough to actually do the work. We manage millions of dollars in ad spend to generate real results for businesses. I have a home decor client right now that is seeing over a 10x return on ad spend. We spent $3,800 in Facebook ads and they generated $45,000 in revenue. I also have a client that sells paper supplies that is seeing over a 3x return on ad spend. We've spent over $30,000 in Facebook ads, and to date they have made over $170,000 in sales. Last example here, I'm also running some carousel ads for a client that sells women clothing. We've spent $13,000 so far and it is already returning $27,000 in revenue. Now to be fair, I do not have any magic tricks, secret formulas, or silver bullets to generate these type of results. It takes money, time, and a great product to be successful. But even still, there are projects we work on that are not successful. However, there is a common theme we see with the most successful Facebook advertising campaigns, and that is exactly what I want to share with you to help you make more money with Facebook ads. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe because you won't find more valuable information on how to grow your business anywhere else but here. My name is Sherman and I'm going to give you the top 3 steps to make money with Facebook ads. Step number 1, create an irresistible offer. The very first thing you need in order to make money with Facebook ads is an irresistible offer. You need something that turns heads, stops scrolls, and captures attention. If you sell an inexpensive product that people normally buy without thinking twice, then your product itself is probably what you should use for your offer. For example, Smart Baking Company sells gluten-free muffins. So this is their offer, and here is the ad they're running on Facebook to promote it. Notice how they highlight what makes this product irresistible. They boast about the warm and sweet flavors while also highlighting how healthy the product is with their nutrition facts. Now, I don't know about you, but that sounds irresistible to me, especially if you like muffins. Now, your offer would be different if you sell a more expensive product or something that requires a little bit more understanding in order to make a buying decision. In other words, if you are not selling something that people buy impulsively, you should create an offer that leads people to making a purchase. You will have to first educate them on the problem your product solves, or better yet, helping them realize that they have a problem in the first place. Then you can show them the benefits of your product or service and move them closer and closer to doing business with you. So here's a quick example. HubSpot sells marketing software that does a whole lot, from landing pages and analytics to email automation and ad management. There is no way they can run a Facebook ad and expect people to click it and immediately buy their software, which costs about $10,000 per year. So instead, they run Facebook ads to irresistible offers that helps people improve their marketing campaigns. And once you click on one of the offers in their Facebook ads, it redirects you to a landing page to sign up for their free offer. Then they can collect your contact information to continue to run more marketing campaigns to you and ultimately promote their marketing software. But before I get too far ahead of myself here, here's my point. You need to have an offer that people understand and can act on immediately to make money with Facebook ads. If you sell an inexpensive product, again, offer your product as that offer, and hopefully that alone is irresistible. And if you sell an expensive product, start with a free offer to start getting people into your pipeline and then nurturing them from there. Step number 2, build your retargeting list. Remember this screenshot of results I showed you just a few minutes ago? Well, do you notice anything in particular? Most of the purchases came from a retargeting campaign that we were running. Retargeting produced over $150,000 of the revenue generated from our Facebook ads campaign. Folks, if you remember one thing from this video, remember this: the businesses that have the largest retargeting list are the ones making the most money through Facebook ads. Now, retargeting is the process of advertising to people who recently interacted with your business. This can include people who recently purchased your product, visited your website, or just interacted with your Facebook ads. These groups of people are already familiar with your business and therefore are more likely to buy your products or services. This means that the larger your retargeting list are, the more likely you will be able to make money with Facebook ads. Don't get me wrong, the general targeting options that everyone talks about on Facebook is great. It's a great place to start. You can target by age, interest, location, and so on. But the truth is that those audiences have the lowest chances of converting. You're basically advertising to complete strangers. The odds of them buying from you are very low. And from my experience running Facebook ads, the chances of you making money with Facebook ads are very slim if you're only using these audiences. So then, what exactly do you do if you do not have a retargeting list? Well, the first thing you need to do is set up Facebook pixels on your website so you can begin growing your retargeting list. Once that is set up, you can start creating remarketing audiences inside of Facebook Ads Manager. The sooner you start setting up remarketing lists, the better, because once it's set up, it will automatically update with the people who recently interacted with your business. For example, I have gathered over 330,000 people on my blog remarketing list in the last 180 days. If I were to create a Facebook ad for LYFE Marketing right now, I would start with this group of people. Anyway, building a retargeting list poses a challenge for newer businesses with minimal traffic. So to get around this, I recommend that you use the general targeting options available inside of Facebook to promote your website until you build a healthy remarketing list. You'll be gaining awareness, website traffic, and more importantly, building a list of people that you can advertise to in the future. A lot of people get caught up in wanting to measure every dollar spent inside of Facebook against the associated return. And I get that, but the truth is your returns will be very low until you grow your awareness and your remarketing list up to a level where you are crushing it. So that's the second key to making money with Facebook ads. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, please let me know by smashing that like button below. Step number 3, optimize your Facebook ads. The final step to make money with Facebook ads is to optimize your campaigns. As you promote your irresistible offer and grow your remarketing list, you need to optimize your Facebook ads for performance. This involves testing multiple variations of your ads to determine which of them performs the best. For example, look at all of these ads that Smart Baking Company is running to promote their offers. Many of these ads are promoting the same product, but they are testing different combination of images, copy, and ad formats to determine which of them performs the best. And then on the back end, we can measure how the ads are performing according to some of the quality, engagement, and conversion rate ranking factors. At our agency, we take it a step further and look at things like your click-through rate, CPM, reach, and so much more to determine how our clients' ads are performing. But the key here is to make sure you are always optimizing your Facebook ads. You should test different offers, different audiences, landing pages, and more to determine what will help you make the most money with Facebook ads. Folks, if you found any of this information helpful, then please like this video and go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss another episode that can help you grow your business. I will talk to you soon.